Before our flight, we stay in the hotel in Cleveland because we got an early flight, and this hotel is so very close in the airport. Kay ganda, 'di ba? Simple room. Kasi ready na talagang uwi-uwi ng Pilipinas ang babaeng ito. Please subscribe and thank you. So ito na guys, mag-check out na kami. Going to the airport.
With subscription cancellation, you can be saving $270 on average.
Ayan, dito kami nag-stay. Ayan. Yun, kuha siya. Ito na guys, ready na pa airport. Ayan. Wala. Kasi 2:30 in the morning. Ayan, may service kami papuntang airport. Kasi papark namin yung sasakyan dito. Ayun, si Triloy. Naka-check-in na kami. Exit na. Nakalapag ng maayos. Naghihintay na ng boarding going to Japan. Ito kami sa Atlanta.
Secured on you or in your seat pocket. Larger electronic devices must be stowed in a bag and not be the exit seating criteria. Responsibilities on the safety information card in your seat pocket.
14 hours.
If you do not meet these criteria,
Check out na kami guys. Pilipinas na yan. We're leaving na sa Japan. Pa-Pilipinas na kami. We're using the elevator. Grabe tang biyahe natin. Departure lobby. Because later on, I cannot take now a video. Then, that burger kami. Kain guys. Guys, ayan na. Pa-Pilipinas na kami. Bundok na kami ng tralala. We are now in the mountain jungle. International and domestic. Mag-elevator kami. Ano kaya kausap? Ano mag-kausap siya? Huli ka.
Son worked at LQ 7 years.
Okay Okay guys, we pass for the immigration. Papunta na ng Pilipinas. Yan, mag-shopping muna dito sa Gucci. Oh. Grabe ah. Yayamanin. What number is that, Han? 1 sa lubong. Ayan yung dalawang ano. Talagang binalikan eh. I'll be back for that keychain. Oh, diba? Ganda. CR nga muna tayo bago mag-boarding. Binantayan na gid ako. Binamaduga ako. Boarding na kami. May Philippine Airlines. Hello, Philippine Airlines. Nasa likod na kami. Hindi na sa exit row. Wala available. Welcome to Manila!